Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the 9 skills checkpoint rotations and transformations notes. And after looking over this, it looks like it's rotations and translations notes, okay? So let's take a quick look at how to do. We're just basically reviewing what we know about rotations and translations. And this first one says that it's a rotation, but it might be a little bit difficult to look at for a minute. So take a look at that one. All right, so from my point of view, okay, I'm looking at quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. And I'm moving a line segment, but the line segment exists both in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 3, right? But if I look at this one point at a time, this M looks like it is being rotated that way to the next quadrant over. So that would be like a 90-degree rotation, right? And then A gets rotated down from 2 to 3, so that would be another 90-degree rotation possibly. So maybe this is exactly what we need to be doing. It's a 90-degree rotation. And then I just made a big error. I did not even own my work. I need to own my work. So let's put our name up there. Oh, all right, so before we get too far into rotations, I want to make sure that I discuss with you how you should approach rotations. So here's my blank sheet of paper, and we are going to tackle this piece together. Now, rotations. I grabbed the marker that is running out of ink, it looks like. Let's see if I can. -3 is 4. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 minus 3 is -1. And the next one I'll do just in my head. 4 plus 6 is 10. -5 minus 3 is -8. So that's number 3. Number 4 says to translate with a rule. Hopefully you can do that, but this says left 8, down 2. Number 5 says to draw the image produced when this triangle is reflected in the y-axis. Well, here's the y-axis. All right, and we need to reflect. And if we reflect, we're just making sure that this is the same distance away on the opposite side. This looks like point C is 4 units away, so I need to come out to 4 units. And then we'll just draw our little triangle there. So that's that. In this video, I have not been doing any of the even numbered problems, but this one, I kind of think I need to revisit. The line y equals x, remember, is not the x-axis. All right. So the line y equals x is this, it's a diagonal line, and that diagonal line goes through the points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and it's very important for you to understand what y equals x means. Okay, so let's take the point 0, 4, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I reflect that about this line, y equals x. It's actually going to give me 4, 0. Okay, so the reflection across y equals x, basically all you do is you just switch the points. Okay, so that's going to get kind of confusing if you've got a lot of things in your head all at once during the test if you haven't practiced this. So anyway, for point C prime, for point C, we're just going to switch it, 1, -2, and that's it. How about for 4, 5? We just switch it, 5, 4. Okay, across the line y equals x, that's all it's going to do. xy, this is the rule for it, xy turns into yx. So put that somewhere so that you have it, okay? Let's look at you know what? I think I'm going to leave number 7. I'm happy about that one. You guys can do that one. Number 8, it says -5, 7. -5, 7 turned into 5, 7. So that must have been a reflection on the y-axis. Okay, so reflect on y-axis. And another way to say that would be over the vertical line, x equals 0. Okay, this says 270 degrees counterclockwise. I'm going to trust that you guys can use the time that you have to make that 270 degree counterclockwise rotation. On number 10, it says to reflect over the x-axis. Well, if I have 0.45 and I reflect over the x-axis, then it's going to be traveling from this one to this to quadrant 4, right? So here we go. We're going to go 4, -5. And notice how the symbol just changed. Okay, and this number 11 I think is a great one for you to try because it says reflect over the y equals x, over y equals x. So I just did that one just like it on number 6 up there. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you have a better idea on what to do on the 9 skills checkpoint rotations and translations notes. Take care.